Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. So today I want to talk to you about our RJ45 and RJ11 series of network connectors. These connectors are perfect for installers, technicians, do-it-yourselfers, anybody that is putting a network cable together or replacing what is deemed to be a bad connector. What makes these connectors so great is that they feature the pass-through wire design concept, meaning that you do not need to strip the jacket of your network cable to a specific length. You just simply strip it an inch or two, insert it into the connectors, and conductors will simply pass through the connector and come out the other side. What makes this so great? You don't have to cut the jacket to a specific size, and allows you to more easily see your wire arrangement, making sure it is to TIA 568A or 568B, or for a telco, make sure you got your tip and ring in the right place. Some other features of the connectors include their clear plastic, so it still allows you to see inside. They come in jars of 100 for Cat 5, Cat 5e version, as well as Cat 6. Come in jars of 50 and come in bags of 25. For the RJ11 connectors, they come in only a jar of 100. A couple other things about these connectors. The crimp terminals feature 50 micro-inch thick gold plating. For the RJ45 series, they use a tri-point terminal design, meaning that there's 3 points of contact into the wire. When the connectors are crimped, the RJ11 has 2 points of contact. Thank you for watching our video. Please take a moment, like, share, comment below, subscribe to our channel to see the latest videos from Jonard Tools.